How to download and install Steam on your device. For this, open up browser, search for Steam, and click Install Steam. This is the official website. Go with the official website and click Install Steam option. Once clicking after, it start downloading. After download complete after, click the setup. It start installation. Click next. Click the language you prefer and click the destination folder and click finish. And wait for a couple of seconds. It's installing the update and downloading the update. Once the installation is complete after, we can log in. If you already have the account means you can log in. If you are new to the stream means you can create a new account. In this pop-up we have seen the left bottom create a new account is there. Click it and enter the email address, confirm email address and create a new account. If you already have the account means you can directly log in by clicking the account name and password. You can directly log in. Enter the code from your mail. Wait for sometimes it's entering into Steam, loading the user data, and you have seen now it's open. So this is how to install and download a stream. Uh, After downloading, you can directly install, and after that you can log in. These are the simple steps. So thanks for watching.